There are lots of different strategies for third graders to use for division. I'm going to show you my two favorites. The first one is going to be the array. I like this way because it is one of the easiest ones to keep organized, and it shows a visual model for division. So this equation says 28 divided by 4. That means we have 28 of something and we're dividing it into 4 equal groups. This could also be putting 4 in each group, but since it's an equation, we don't know the situation, and I'm just going to say 4 groups. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing my 4 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. Now, 28 divided into 4 groups does not mean that each group can get 28. That means that one group will have 28 and all the other groups will have nothing. And in division, we have to divide everything equally. So that means that I'm going to give that 28 out like this. 1 for you, 2 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and I'm going to keep handing them out until I've given away 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice how I'm trying to keep my lines as straight as possible so I can tell if one group has gotten more than another. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now I've handed out all 28 and I've put them into 4 groups. This group has the same as this one, has the same as this one, has the same as this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, all with the same amount. All right, so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the group. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the group. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the group. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the group. All of my groups are equal and they all have this, the same number. So that means that if I have 4 groups and 28 total of something and I give them all the same number, that's going to be 7 in each group, and that's my answer. Arrays are great strategies, but they don't work as well when we are dividing bigger numbers because the arrays can get really big, they can get messy, and they just take a longer time. So my other strategy that I really like to use is the fact family strategy. All right. In this strategy, we are going to use a lot more math knowledge. So here we're saying that 64 is our total and we have 8 groups. I know that division is related to multiplication, so I can rewrite this equation in a multiplication equation. 8 groups of something is going to equal a total of 64. Now comes the part where I have to know my math facts. In this situation, I'm saying 8 times something equals 64, and I should know that that blank is going to be 8. But if I don't, I can go through the numbers and see which one it's going to be. 8 times 1 is not 64. 8 times 2 is 16. Nope. 8 times 3 is 24. Nope. 8 times 4 is 32. Nope. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. Nope. 8 times 7 is 56. Nope. 8 times 8, yep, that's 64. This strategy is a lot faster, and it's probably the strategy that we'll end up doing, but you have to know how multiplication and division are related, and you have to know your multiplication facts to solve this way.